Good day, Hapinoy travelers, and welcome to our hotel and room tour for today's episode. And we are staying here at Angkor Sokholay Hotel, Residence and Spa, where we will be staying here for a few days as we explore Seim Reef. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated in our journey here in Cambodia. But before that, a short intro. Very warm welcome here at the hotel. I can already feel the excitement as I enter this area of the hotel, which is actually the restaurant where they serve the food. This is where we'll have breakfast also. And as you can see, the sound is already giving me a good vibe about the place. So join me in this video, guys, as I give you a tour of Angkor Sokholay Hotel. If you want to stay in Seim Reef, this could be an option for you. We will also be putting in at the end of this video the cost of the hotel and the room rate. There you can see a very large pool, bin type of pool. Right. So weather so far is good. It's a warm weather, knowing it's Asia, so it's a tropical country. A very nice pool. They have two bridges and there's an island in the pool. Very nice, very nice. I'm already excited as we explore what this hotel can offer. We will place in how much the room rates are at the end of this video, guys. But this is the main road. This is the main road. As you can see, there's also the Cambodia Eye. There's a big Ferris wheel. This is the main entrance of the Sokholay Angkor Hotel Resort and Spa. A very, very generous space. As you can see, it's all green, lush greeneries around the hotel. And they have very big statues in this area. So what I notice here is that they're very, very keen on the details of their displays, no? Like this one. These are two big statues right outside this entrance of the Angkor Sokholay Hotel. Very quiet in this part of the neighborhood. Most of the hotels or the resort spa are located in this area. We're roughly about 10-15 minutes away from the main center or the main town of Seim Reef. You can see again another big display on the rails going up the main lobby of the hotel. There's actually two lobbies that you can enter Angkor Sokholay. This is the first one where we're entering, and there's another one that's rarely used as of the moment because they recently just opened, and as we heard from the crew, we were one of the few first guests when they opened this hotel. So we're excited to see what Angkor Sokholay Hotel Residence and Resort Spa can offer here in Seim Reef in Cambodia. So watch out, guys, ha. So ito yung reception ng Sokholay Angkor Resort and Spa. So what do you expect dito sa reception? You have a very good chandelier. And syempre, typical. very grand ang kanilang entrance. There are 2 chandelier, big ones. And that is your reception. Oh, diba? Diba? Hapinoy Travelers. Napaka-grand this events area. Hello, Cambodia. Hello, Seim Reap. We are here at Seim Reap, and this is Sokholay Hotel. You can hear the birds. Our room for today is the Premier Luxury Twin. According to the website, it is a 47 square meter luxury room in a harmonious balance between modern comfort and elegant design. High quality bed linen, stylish furniture. Right, as we enter the room, we can already see the toilet and bath on the left side, and on the right side it comes with its complete tea and coffee set maker. A little turn to the left, you can see that there's 2 big beds, as they claim it's comfortable beds. So we're going to try it out later, especially if you're tired away from the seeing and enjoying the tour sites. You can enjoy the bed plus the television. And since it's a premier luxury, it comes with its own balcony, and this is the view from the balcony. You can see that there are not much high-rise buildings in this area, as most hotels are located in this area. Again, the beds, big beds. Then you can see the toilet and bath, the bathtub, which we're going to try that out as well. And it comes with a fridge. Oy, there's some Cambodian beer in the fridge already. Excited to try out Cambodian beer, so continue to subscribe with our channel because we will also be trying out their Cambodian beer, so you would know which beer is best for you guys. It comes with a shower, body conditioner, and body wash, toothbrush, with toothpaste, and what else? There you go. It has its own air blower, air dryer. Then the toilet with bidet. Bidet is life. And the shower head. There's a rainwater shower head on top of the shower enclosure. You can also see, if you're kinda naughty, you can use this to your advantage. But if you want some privacy, don't worry. There are blinds that you can roll down so no one can see you and nobody can see what you're doing. So this is our room and hotel. We'll be staying here for a few days, guys, so continue to watch until the end, as we will let you know how much this room costs. These are the villas here in Sokholay, Angkor. So as you can see, they're preserving nature and they're building in and around it. Okay guys, so the address of Angkor Sokholay Hotel is at 555 Gruwas Way, Dangkong, Siem Reap, Cambodia. Very good location. We'll also give you the review or the honest reviews. Morning. Of the customers that have stayed in this hotel. Okay, for the reviews, we got this from booking.com. Overall, it's an 8.3, very good according to 3 reviews. Location wise is at 9.2. Cleanliness at 8.3, value for money is at 7.5, facilities, comfort, and staff at 9.2. Experience wise, my experience overall, it's good. I can peg it at 9 over 10. And the price of our premium luxury twin is at $130 for their website. But you can also look at other hotel booking sites, and probably you can get a best deal on the other booking sites as well. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell follow us and join us as we travel and explore the different parts of the world. Until our next video, watch for it as we explore Seim Reef. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on our next video.